Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Houseplant Pixie, and this is my happy plant palace. My name is Monique, and I'm testing a microphone, and I hope you can understand me a little bit better. I was waiting a very long time for it to get delivered, so hopefully you can hear me a bit better now. So today, exciting, my plant shelf. It's amazing. Like the additional light I got so much growth on my plants. I got no worries about the cuttings because I got like, I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little heat pad there, only like a little square for the tiny cuttings. I usually don't get cuttings in winter because you have less daylight, less photosynthesis, less energy produced by the plant. So there is a slight chance that the cutting won't survive, but these cuttings going really well. So I will link in the description box where the shelf is from, where the light bars are from. I'm going to show you around, show you the growth. So I got the heat pad and the light bars. They're all individual light bars. So if you feel like you just want one light bar at the top shelf and leave the middle one out, you can do that. The shelf has holes in it, so you can actually cable tie the clip for the light bar. It's really easy. You don't need any tools. It's so good. It's easy to set up. And now, yeah, this is the dog laying here, breathing, if you can hear. So just first up, I'm not getting sponsored by Bunnings or IKEA. That's just where I found this. And I just think it's an amazing setup. It's easy to redo in your own home. So yeah, let's get started. So grow lights. When I researched grow lights, there's so much information. Just to cut it, I just put it very simple. I gone by over 1,000 lumens is the best to mimic daylight. That's what we're trying to do for the plants. And that's, I wouldn't go any lower than for LED lights than 1,000 lumens. These light bars are 1,200, I think. So that goes for anything. If you have like a plant that needs more light and you want to supply artificial light, just get an LED light with over 1,000 lumens. If you want to buy a bulb that has watts, I think I wouldn't go any lower than 75. And I'll just keep it at that. So I got a, I don't even know what you call it, like multi-plug, or where all the cords plug in up the top there. I'm not sure if you can see it. And the whole setup is on a timer. So I got it set up that they come on at 6 AM and they'll be turning off at 8 PM. So that's perfect amount of light if you can set it longer, shorter. I wouldn't set it 24 hours. Do give the plants a break. This is my little helper. And we fitted this light up the top there today. LED bars are amazing. I literally stuck it to the ceiling with the double-sided Velcro. So it's easy to put on, easy to take off if you ever have to. I don't think you ever have to. But yeah, it's holding, I think I used the strips to hold about 2 kilos, but they're not even that heavy. If you hold them in your hand, they're super light. With the shelving, the shelf itself, which I show you later when I film the plants and the growth and how it looks like, got holes. So all I did, the LED lights have a clip on each side. I cable tied the clip to the shelf and just clip the light bar in. Easy, so easy done. So yeah, I don't know if there's anything else I have to say about it. So I've got my humidifier set up as well. I guess I just show you. So where do we start? This is melanochrysum. It's been growing so much. We got new growth on the Gerestis millabilis. New leaf. This humidifier is from Kmart. It's pretty awesome for the price. Everywhere there's new leaves popping up. This is the little setup I was talking about with the heat pad. And the heat pad is on a different power extension cord than the... So I got 2. And the grow lights are in the corner here on the timer. So the humidifier and the heat pad are on this one, because you want to keep your cuttings warm. And I still need to cable tie this. I'm going to look a bit neater. So I had like the grow light up there. I'll blend in a little picture for you, how it looked before. There's new growth. That bit there. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Like I think this Florida Beauty, it's on the next leaf. It's growing heaps. So yeah. The shelf, you can also buy that if you don't have that much room. There is a shelf, the same shelf, the MULIG, but it's like half the size. So yeah, I'm gonna probably add that into my room. On the other side, where still got a bit of space. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. Comment below what you think. Maybe you have a similar setup. Let me know. And I'll see you next time. Stay planty.